So this is our Fairmount Showit template. This template is absolutely perfect for anyone who is bright and colorful and has a really fun vibe. Although, of course, with Showit and how easy it is to customize, anything can be switched out. So even these colors that are used. But really, Fairmount is meant for someone who is modern. They like bold, they like easily accessible, and they really want to show that off to their audience. So this Fairmount template, it has this really cool gradient feature right up at the top. This is where you can show some of your work or even put a picture of yourself if you are really the face of your brand. And then it gives you the option to add a title to grab the reader's attention and provide some additional information, of course, with a call to action. All of our Showit templates follow the story brand framework, so we make sure that it is very easy to move around your website, that the website is designed to convert, and that everyone is really clear on where they can go next. We never want to leave anyone hanging on your website. One of my favorite features about Fairmount is the menu. So we really went super modern and kind of nixed the traditional menu. Instead, we have this pop-out menu, which again allows you to kind of list out your brand and your tagline, as well as your pages for your site. And then this is just a fun image. You could even link this back to your Instagram if you'd like. And then we have some social media icons here. Now, all of our Showit templates come with pretty much every single page that you can think of: home, about, services, a sales page, all of the blog pages that you need, and a contact. We also include a coming soon, a 404, as well as an Instagram link page that you can use that link and put it right in the bio of your Instagram. And then of course you can just click exit menu to go back to this screen, which is a little bit more clean. Then we have a spot for you to introduce yourself and for someone to head over to that about page. We have a testimonial section. I really like that we did this on that darker background because it makes someone really stop their scroll and see the reviews that someone has about your brand. Then we have this section here where it says check this stuff out. So this could either be 3 blog posts that you want to link to, maybe 3 galleries if you're a photographer, or just offerings or pages. These could be linked to individual pages like your services, and then your sales page, and then your contact. Or they could be linked to individual services if you'd like. Now, of course, with these Showit templates, we include training videos that will help you customize the template really to fit your needs. And then of course we have 3 images here that you can link back to your Instagram. I also explain how to connect your live Instagram feed down here. So that is all explained in your training videos. And then we have a secondary navigation and some copyrights and credits. And then of course we have a little section right here for you to just, again, for SEO, explain exactly who you are and what you do. On the about page, I really wanted to be super creative with this. So we have a little collage here, lots of room for a bio and some text. And then we have this fun mood board. And on mobile, this is actually a sliding gallery, which we were really intuitive about creating things that were going to work on both desktop and mobile. On your services page, a little bit of a different background to really make this stand out. This is going to explain exactly what you do. Some more information about what the experience is like working with you. And then this is another one of my favorite sections. So this allows you to section off 3 different packages or services. You have an image, a title, and a sentence that goes with each one. And then when someone clicks on view more info, it's actually going to open up that service, provide them with some more information, let them know the process of what it's like to work with you, and then calls to action. So they can either go right to contact you, or they can go back and check out those other packages. And then a different testimonial section. This allows for a much longer testimonial. So on the homepage, we're really just hitting them with that key sentence of how amazing you are. And here we're able to really expand upon that. And then we have this great frequently asked questions section. So when someone clicks on each question, the question and the answer are going to appear right over here on the right-hand side. And then of course, a link to work with you. Now your sales page, this page is really, it can be used however you'd like. So this is great if you have a course or a workshop. You could even duplicate this sales page for each one of your services so that each of your services or packages really has its own page. It's totally up to you. So we've included an announcement bar, and of course any section or canvas within the template can be hidden if you don't need it right now. You're going to tell someone a little bit more about the course or the offer. And then this, I love this. So this sales page, again, just like with the entire site, was really built to convert. So right away, you're going to hit them. Hey, let me guess, this is how you're feeling. And you're going to explain what you're offering and let them know that they don't have to feel like they're struggling because you have an offer for them. Then some bullet points. And then this section is similar to the packages section on the services page. And this is going to walk them through each module as well as all of the bonuses here on the bottom. And then a testimonial about the course or offer, an opportunity for you to introduce yourself, ask them if they're ready to get started, along with some payment plan options, and then a frequently asked questions section. Then we have the blog. So this blog page is already all set up for how it needs to function, but there are 2 blog posts here side by side. We have this great sidebar that allows you to introduce yourself to people on the blog. And this is important because not everyone that comes to your blog is going to really be funneled through your whole website, especially if you're linking back to specific blog posts. So this introduces you, gives them some category options and some blog posts. And this section, of course, can be repeated for as many posts as you'd like on this page. And then, of course, we have that contact page. Now, if you are using a CRM like Honeybook or Dubsado, you can put an embed code box right here and switch that out with your custom contact form. But I wanted to make sure that if you were not using a CRM, that you still had a contact form for people to fill out. So this is our Fairmount template. Again, perfect for the modern female creative. And of course, we provide those customization videos so that you can switch out those images, the fonts, the colors, everything, and really customize it to fit your brand.